you guys, this is not a keto video, but I thought it would be very helpful to those of you around that are looking for hand sanitizer and can't find any. So if you have some alcohol lying around, which not many people have 100% alcohol lying around, but if you can get your hands on some and you have some aloe vera gel, then stay tuned and watch this video because I'm going to show you how to make your very own hand sanitizer. And you can make a lot if you have these ingredients. So stay tuned. So I have this bottle I got. It was soap from Target, and what I'm going to do, and I was just going to put it in this bottle, but I'm not going to use that. So I have this bottle. I'm going to put some alcohol in it. I already washed it out. It had soap in it. I just, condensed my soaps, and I'm just going to put some alcohol in there, swish it around a little bit. Same with that, and get it all nice and clean. And then I'm just going to add my mix to the bottle. This is going to be super easy, but if you guys have these ingredients on hand at home, then it's going to be beneficial, especially right now. So let's put in the aloe vera gel first. Alright guys, so that looks about right. We're doing about a quarter, and then we're just going to fill the rest up with alcohol, just enough to where I can put the pump in. This is the one I'm using. I bought this a long time ago to make some Rick Simpson oil for my stepdad Calvin when he was going through cancer. So if you guys find any alcohol, then pick it up because you can make your own hand sanitizer with it. Alright, so I did put a tiny bit extra of the gel, so I wanted to make sure I just added a little bit more extra of the alcohol. And now I'm just going to shake it until it's all incorporated. Alright guys, so I vigorously shook this. I added a little bit more aloe vera because I felt like it was too liquidy. So I would do about 1/3 of a cup aloe vera to 2/3 of a cup of the alcohol. And then, yeah, so just give it a shake and look it. Hand sanitizer. Now, obviously we know that using hand sanitizer is not a replacement for washing your hands, but it's better than not having anything at all in between. So, yeah, here you go, you guys. Hand sanitizer made from home. 2 ingredients. It's actually kind of moisturizing from the aloe vera gel, and then it's got that really pungent kind of clean scent from the alcohol, and it dries pretty quickly. So yeah, highly recommend, you guys. That's gonna do it for this video. I hope that some of you find it helpful, and if you can get your hands on some alcohol, then you can make plenty for you and your friends and your family. So stay safe out there. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.